What's the meaning of Central American? Central American. Central American.
Central American. Central American. Central American refers to a geographical and cultural region in the continent of North America. It encompasses the 7 countries located between North America and South America: Belize, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Panama. The region is known for its rich biodiversity, diverse indigenous cultures, and historical connections to indigenous civilizations such as the Maya. Additionally, Central America has faced social and economic challenges over the years, including poverty and political instability. Overall, Central American is a term used to describe a unique and complex region with a rich history and culture.